Looking for a broker that's best for beginners? We'll help you find your perfect match, making the process simple and stress-free. In this video, we'll break down the top 3 broker for beginners in Germany, based on our experts' hands-on testing of over 100 providers, each checked against more than 600 data points. By assisting close to 1 million people over the past half year, we've pinpointed the key priorities for beginner investors: low fees, simple apps, and helpful learning tools. Let's jump into our top 3 list, highlighting 3 key advantages for each broker. Kicking off our countdown at number 3 is Lightyear. Lightyear shines with commission-free ETFs, making stock trading affordable for everyone. Low fees make investing simple, while high interest on uninvested cash keeps earnings rolling in. Quick account setup ensures users start their journey without delay. Our runner-up at number 2 is Trading 212. Trading 212 is a game changer for stock and ETF lovers with 0 commission fees, though other fees might pop up. Quickly set up an account and dive into trading. The platform's sleek, user-friendly vibe makes it perfect for newbies and pros alike. And now, for our number 1 pick, the best broker for beginners in Germany is eToro. eToro stands out with its low stock and ETF fees, making trading affordable. The account opening process is seamless, perfect for beginners. Social trading features let users learn and share strategies with others. It's friendly and modern, yet trustworthy. Every investor is different, and the best choice always depends on you. To compare these brokers side by side and see our full detailed analysis, check out the complete guide on BrokerChooser.com. The link is right in the description below. If you found this guide helpful, subscribe and turn on notifications for more practical insights to help you on your investing journey. Thanks for watching.